When I particularly joined this program, I had certain things in mind and certain pain points in my organizations, like for my team, accountability, follow up, feedbacks, then automating certain things, processes, order tracking systems, catalog is a very good. Uh, our catalog is very exhaustive, so basically, there are so many copies, and we are not able to, make it. Ki this is the latest version or which one version. So basically, what I see is that already we have 100% implemented task management, which has started giving a very good results. And this intra-site is going to be a very informative thing, because every time a new person comes in, or the guys actually would create a confusion if they have not done something, because they would say, "Ki, I did not know this process." So we are now working on the processes for each and every department, each and every activity of the company, and we are going to create videos, the flow charts and everything, and put it on intra-site, so that anybody who comes in, they have this. Yesterday only we were discussing ki some guys are taking leaves without approvals, because they would not get the form signed. Sir, आप यहाँ पे थे नहीं, मैं approval कैसे लेता? So yesterday only we created a leave application form, and we were debating about ki how a approval would happen on a form. So today I saw that it is going to happen, and I told him by evening it should be implemented whatsoever. So these kind of small things are helping us too much to simplify, and I'm already finding a lot of space for myself. And I'd already shared earlier that we have started working on 2 new projects after joining this. It's hardly 1.5 months. And one of these projects was due since last 6 months, and I was not getting time to work on it. And we have moved much ahead, and one of the projects we are launching in December, and in Europe and India both together simultaneously. So basically I'm finding that this activities, everything was existing, but we never knew about it, how to implement it. There were a lot of complex things because we are not technical. So this platform is really helping us to implement things. And especially when I am not getting time, my colleague Arun is doing a lot of work on my back to make sure that the things are implemented on time. And we are really working with the target, and maybe from 1 month of now, we should have been implementing more than 70% of what we have done here. So that is what we have done.
And you are round of applause for that as well. So a couple of quick questions.
Yeah.
What is your why? Whatever you're implementing, whatever results are you getting?
Why was one thing ki we since beginning we have realized ki to grow your organizations, people have to be accountable and on an auto mode system. Now auto mode system per se for an organization is a SAP or some expensive software which a smaller company cannot afford. And if you can even try and get it at an affordable level, your people are not ready to implement those complex systems in your company. So simplification was one major reason why we wanted to do it very urgently, so that we can further take it. Further, this also is helping us in developing our dealer network. In last 1 month, we have already developed 5 dealers, which have given us almost 20 lakh rupees of business per month additional, and we are targeting almost 1 CR by January.
Yeah, bigger round of applause for this.
And one of the ideas that I could take it from the battery guy, what he had shared earlier, he created a platform and invited a lot of people to understand about their products and everything. So the shortcut to what we were looking for, we are now also organizing a 15-day camp where we are inviting people from a lot of cities. We'll display our products, we'll make them feel how the products are, we'll have people who would interact with them one-to-one, and immediately book the orders and start rolling them on the dealer network. So that is how we want to.
Right. One quick more question. How do you achieve your target? example, in the workshop itself, we gave a lot of tasks to everybody, right? And you are, I think, the entire batch, you are either on top 1 or top 2. How did you get all these things so fast?
See, I had, before joining the program, I had a lot of discussion with Anubha and Kevin, and I did share with them ki what are our pain points. And in the very first session, I understood ki backup data, without a backup data, it would not be possible to implement any of the systems that we are going to learn here. So, day one, we put our whole team to get into simplification of the data, creating master data for customers, for employees, for vendors, for products, everything. And all those data are almost at a 80%, 90% completion. And we are expecting in another 10 days they would be at 100%. So implementing from that data, it is becoming more easier.
Yeah.
So
Masters.
besides me and Arun, a lot of other people are also working on this. And we are giving them, we are not currently training them, but we are only trying to give them an activity ki you do this and give it to us so that it is easier for me and Arun to implement the systems.
One more final question. What is your vision in next 5 years? Through this, what are the possibilities you see you will be having in your entire life, in your business? What is the scalability which can come?
Next 3 years, we are aiming at 100 crore company with 3 brands in hand. And probably later on, we want to expand our one major brand worldwide.
And if you would have not done this, if you would have not done the automation, would it have been possible to achieve that in 3 years?
Not immediately.
Okay.
We were constantly looking for the solution to get into it.
Right. Okay. Can we have a big round of applause for